He's next to me. He's shooting at me. I don't see him though.
See him? I can't see shit.
I'm dead, dude. I'm dead.
What? I just got domed. I can't see him. Where the fuck is
I
he?
couldn't see him either.
Bro!
Stairs. You fly up. No.
Yeah, he's hacking, dude.
Dude, he's definitely hacking. Dude,
Yeah.
how do we... And it
I
doesn't
just-
even show me YTXS the god.
I hope I don't get fly kicked.
What is that? Your no clip?
Can someone pull a clip for that? Because the admins might hit us up and ask us.
I mean, we can get it. I mean, they're just gonna follow him. Oh, he's up. He's in our base.
What?
Yeah.
In our
Right,
base?
top floor. Yep, top floor.
Of the raid base?
Of our base.
The main base?
Our main base, top floor. He's there.
How the fuck is he there, dude?
No idea. No idea how we got in.
Tell,
Oh,
no,
he's
just
big
don't
hacking.
open any of the doors or anything.